As soon as I put a dash camera in my car about maybe 3-4 years ago, it actually made me a better driver. What's up, guys? Ibrahim Awad, serious injury and wrongful death attorney out of Atlanta, Georgia. Guys, if you don't have a dash camera, I want to give you 3 quick reasons why you need a dash camera in your vehicle. Number 1, if God forbid you're in a wreck, and a police officer comes and there's conflicting accounts as to what happened, you have a dash camera that videotaped everything that happened. And sometimes I, as a personal injury attorney, hear these stories and I'm like, what do you mean that happened? I don't understand it. I can't visualize it. But in one particular incident, this guy said, oh, I have a dash camera. And he showed me the video and I'm like, wow, I would have never understood. I would have never in a million years visualized what happened in this particular car wreck had you not had a dash camera. So it's not a he said, she said, it's right there in front of you. It records everything. That's reason number 1. Reason number 2, if God forbid you're stopped by the police and they say, oh, you ran a red light or you didn't fully stop at a stop sign, you have a dash camera. And if you think that, the police officer is mistaken, you can show them, officer, I have a dash camera. Would it be okay if I showed you? Right? And you could show them a complete stop. You could show them that you went through the light when it was yellow. So that's another great reason. And number 3, and this is very interesting, as soon as I put a dash camera in my car about maybe 3-4 years ago, it actually made me a better driver, because I was always thinking, there's video evidence of the way I'm driving. It's on all the time. And so it made me more conscious of other people, of other drivers, of making sure that I'm maintaining my lane. So it actually enabled me to become a better driver. So those are 3 really good reasons for having a dash camera in your vehicle. What's up, guys? Ibrahim Awad, serious injury and wrongful death attorney out of Atlanta, Georgia. I'm just sitting outside in my backyard with a cup of coffee and just kind of enjoying the weather.